everybody, welcome back. One of my absolute favorite days of the year, release football day. Yay! 20 packs, 5 cards per pack. There will be 2 autographs and 1 mem. There usually is the pen pal autographs. I don't know if they still have those this year or not. Unwrap the special tribute series 1999 Elite and 1999 Elite Rookies. Let's see here. Aspirations, lots of parallels, which we know and love. Yep, there it is. Pen pals, blue ink, green ink, red ink, dual pals in those colors. Passing the torch signatures in multiple colors. Elite signatures, all kinds of stuff. On average, non-base cards are included approximately 1 in every pack. So every pack is going to have some kind of goodie. Ugh, I don't even want to open. I just want to sit and look at it. I love Elite. I feel about Elite the way I feel about baseball, though, the 2019 baseball. I just feel like I haven't adjusted to the new rookie classes for baseball or football yet, so in my mind I feel like they're just like not as good. Hang on, I'll pull this back. I mean, I could be wrong. It could be, they could have wound up being better, but I don't know. Right now it just seems kind of sketchy for football and baseball, but we'll see. But I mean, last year, how you gonna beat having Baker Mayfield, Saquon? I mean, it just doesn't seem like there's any names like that that, you know, you're looking forward to or hoping to pull out of here. Alright, there it is. Oh, so beautiful. Alright, let's do it. See who we get. What we get. I can't wait to see the parallels. Ooh, it's shiny. Is that the base card? Wow, it is. Okay. So a super hollow full, like rainbow foil looking base card. Adrian Peterson, Ridley. Starting off with Noah Font, turn of the century autograph. Number 2/149. That's a sticker auto. Good shape. It looks really nice. I don't know a lot about this guy particularly, but cool autograph right out the gate. Alright, our other cards are Josh Allen and Mr. Joe Flacco. I don't know what to think about these base cards. Right off the bat, I feel like I like last year's better. Let me know what you guys think. Kenyon Drake, Kamara, Josh Jacobs. What is this? Oh, that's cool. Rookie on deck. Josh Jacobs. Who I really like, of course. So that's pretty cool. Alright. Fletcher Cox. And a card that I dropped was Aaron Donald. Harold Landry, Joe Mixon, Juan Thornhill, safety. What is this? This is a rookie to 699. Juan Thornhill. There's a lot of gold up there. I don't know if that makes this a gold parallel or it's just the base rookie, which is numbered as maybe 699. I'm not sure. Robert Woods and Kuechly. There's Baker and Hopkins and Devin Bush to $2.99. Good looking parallel. I love these with the little box pattern, whatever you want to call it. There's Mahomes, and Melvin Gordon. Cam Newton, Amari Cooper. Oh wow, he still looks funny in Cowboys uniform. Fitzgerald, Von Miller. This is to $2.99. Primary colors. So, running insert set that they've had for a while. Chris Carson. There's Tom Brady and Derek Carr. A little bit of a thicker pack. This might be the game use card unless it's a filler. There's Saquon, Le'Veon Bell. This is a Mahomes something elite deck. Good looking card. Okay, this was just a filler here, which I'll hold on to. Harrison Smith and James Conner, who probably will have a good season. I don't want to touch these. I feel like my fingerprint's going to be on every piece of this foil. Jared Goff, Nick Chubb, a nice thick filler card. Eli Manning /99. Purple, I guess, probably aspirations. It doesn't say, so I'm not entirely sure. Again, though, good looking card. Roethlisberger, Slay. I do wish the parallels they said what they are. Not that it's all that hard to find out, but still. Alright, Saquon Barkley, Le'Veon Bell. Alright, another one of these. Devontae Adams, Elite Deck. Zeke, Edelman. Stack up my stack here so they don't fall over. Alright, next up, Michael Thomas, Tevin Coleman, Dexter Lawrence, parallel to $2.99, rookie, Devontae Adams, and George Kittle. Myles Garrett, Juju, Tidal Waves, Roethlisberger, good looking card, David Johnson, Sam Darnold, and that's that. Hang on. These are going to be really condition sensitive. These foil cards on thinner stock, it's going to be, yeah. Sony Michel, Fournette, Pen Pals, Darius Slayton. So I got a Pen Pals. It's black ink, so I'm going to assume that's probably the easiest one to get. But still pretty happy to have gotten one. Then we have Kirk Cousins, Drew Brees. Look at that one. These are really thin stock. So again, gonna have to be really careful. It actually already looks like it has a little tiny slot something down there. Yeah, I wish they had. These actually feel thinner than last year. Maybe I'm crazy, but it feels different. It feels thin. Alright. Coleman again. Myles Garrett again. DeAndre Hopkins. Parallel to $2.99. Bosa and Aaron Rodgers. Edmonds, Luck, Jerry Tillery, rookie to 699. So I guess this is the base rookie, because it's gold up top there too. So just like last year, the base rookies are numbered. Roquan Smith and Sammy Watkins. So at least we cleared that up. So we're still looking for one game used card. Well, one relic. We don't know if it's game used. Probably not. Leighton Vander Esch. Oh, that's one of the Donruss Elite Retro look cards, I guess. Followed that up with a die cut of some sort. Kerryon Johnson to 24. Aspirations purple, I guess. Richard Sherman and Garoppolo. Jamal Adams, Julio. Kirk Cousins is the game used card. It's just a plain old jersey Craftsman. So nothing fancy schmancy there. Russell Wilson, Bobby Wagner. Aaron Jones. Wentz. Spellbound Favre to 299. Nice. That's another ongoing insert set, running insert. Lindsay and Dak Prescott. Fitz. Sony Michel again. Ed Reed. What is this? Playmakers. That's pretty cool. I like that. Phillip Rivers and Xavier Howard. Newton again. Amari Cooper again. Dwayne Haskins. What is this? Elite Company. Zeke, Chris Carter, Paul Warfield, Michael Thomas, and Dwayne Haskins. Ohio State. I wonder if there's an Alabama version of this. I hope there is. Chris Jones and Andy Dalton. Last two packs. McCaffrey. And looks like another couple of the, hang on, let's see. Vander Esch and Eli Manning, and then one of the retro Jamal Adams. Wow, Kyler Murray Aspirations Rookie Red to 99. That's probably better than any of the hits that I got, depending of course on how he does. And then a Hakeem Butler rookie. Another one of the retro style. Those are pretty cool. Alright, last pack. Trubisky, first Trubisky card. Alshon. Dawson Knox, rookie to 699. So I guess the gold doesn't always apply. I guess it just depends on the team colors, because this one's red at the top. So Jameis Winston and Terrell Suggs, and that is it, my friends. So the Murray, Kirk Cousins jersey, Pen Pals, Darius Slayton, and Noah Fant, turn of the century to 149. And he's not a rookie, so this is just one of those cards they stick in there. They probably have extra, so that's not the coolest thing, but that's pretty neat. Not too bad. I do have another box that I'm going to open for you guys. I hope it's better than this one. This one's okay. I still love Elite. I don't care whether the boxes are good or bad. I love Elite. So I'll take whatever comes out of it. I don't care. But I do hope the next one's a little bit more exciting than this one. I don't know. I'm processing. I'm having to think and really process what I just saw here. Let me know what you think about it. Comment below. Do you love Elite this year? Don't think it's as good? I'm telling you, I think the stock is a little bit thinner. I'm not 100% positive, but if you've opened any, comment below and let me know. Do you feel that way too, or is it just me? Have I just lost my mind? It's been a crazy couple of weeks, so maybe. Alright, everybody take care. I'll be back with the next box soon.